This is the new Hisense U7SG. Let's see if it can replace the experience of watching sports at a bar. It's a huge TV, 75 inches plus. I can connect my iPhone, my favorite video games, and much more. I'm going to run various tests on it since it has cool features. What better time than now? Let's unbox it and I'll show you more. The magic scissors for the unboxing are 75 inches. The first thing we see is the power cable, the remote control, and the instructions. A bit like this here. That's right. Is my Hisense U7SG ready now? Before I do my favorite part, which is removing the protector, I want you to see the size. I want you to see how now when it's turned on, the reflection will practically disappear. And also the distance between the sofa and the TV. So you can see the proportion and the size. And now, the moment of truth, let's plug in the TV. And first of all, finally, what I'd been waiting for.
Satisfying.
These are coming off too. This one too, baby. Very good, done. And now the moment of truth, let's turn it on. Nala, are you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Look, I connected it to my iPhone and it's super easy to set up because it has Google TV. But I want you to see how well it handles reflections. Look at the reflection on my iPhone screen and how on the TV there's practically no reflection. But look, what I want you to see is the size of this TV. Look, you can see it in proportion to me, in proportion to little Nala. And the other thing is the distance between the couches and where the TV is located. The size is really good. And I also want you to see how, even though there's sunlight, nothing is reflected on the TV. And you can see it right on my phone screen. Look at all that reflection. The TV doesn't have any reflection at all. Another great thing is that the screen features HI technology with QLED, mini LED, and thanks to this screen, it has vibrant and realistic colors. Right now, the grass on the field and the team jerseys look vibrant. They look really good, and you're gonna have excellent image quality without needing to turn off the lights. I think that's pretty noticeable. I like that the remote has what you need. Here you have access to several streaming apps, plus you have Google TV, so you can access various live sports events. You've got YouTube where you watch all your match highlights. It even has Instagram, and since it has Google TV, it comes with tons of apps. And in many of these, I can watch matches for free, not all of them, but a lot of matches. Look, he's getting excited too because there's gonna be a match with me. Now it's pretty complete. And as I was saying, I can connect my iPhone through AirPlay and use all my favorite apps. Look, I have Cloud here, for example. Let's say hi and everything I do on my iPhone will show up on my TV. A 75-inch TV. Therefore, the experience is amazing. And this also works with Android. Remember that the operating system is Google TV. Look, there's a game on right now. I want you to see the details in the grass, to see all the details. And something really, really cool is that it has a native refresh rate of 165 Hertz. That makes it ideal, not only for watching all your favorite sporting events, but also for playing video games. It's every gamer's dream. It also features AI smooth motion technology, which makes the images look this smooth, clear, and fluid. And since it's such a large 75-inch TV, the reactions also feel bigger. The goals, last-minute goals, all the fans, the passion of the matches and sporting events. My dad is actually on his way to watch a match, but he doesn't know I have this new TV. So let's see how lucky he is. In the meantime, I'll put out some snacks and get ready.
You're right.
What's up? Look, what do you think of this TV?
It's awesome. I loved it, and it also has really good sharpness. You can see the colors perfectly well. I also really like the colors. It's also big, I liked it a lot. Congratulations. What brand is it?
It's Heisenberg.
Hisense sponsors the World Cup too, right?
Exactly.
I like to make videos that get straight to the point and give you the information you need to know. Who is this Hisense U7SG TV for? I would say it's for all those people who like to watch sports on a big screen, who play video games, because it's also ideal for that. For those who like to watch series, who like to watch movies, but above all, who want something big with really good technology to enjoy all the content, especially now. And the thing is, Hisense is an official sponsor of the FIFA World Cup 2026. And for Prime Day, if you use the link in the description, you'll get a special price. So take advantage of this offer because it's for a limited time. What would you use this TV for? If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for more straightforward tech videos with plain language. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Andres Neshudo. Big hugs to everyone. Goodbye.